But what does crypto around the world really look like, and what do regulations around crypto around the world look like? Let's take a look. Let's start off with the United States. They've welcomed Bitcoin payments. Bitcoin is just one form of cryptocurrency. There are many others, but the US has welcomed Bitcoin payments, made its way to US derivative markets as well. So the derivative market, I beg your pardon, in the US is using crypto. In Canada, the transactions are being viewed as barter. That is where Canada stands. Income generated is treated as business income in the country, there in Canada. So this is where Canada stands. Some banks have banned the use of cryptocurrencies as well. Remember, it's a very volatile market based on blockchain technology. It's an alternative form of currency. It's considered neither money nor foreign currency in this country of Australia. Considered an asset for capital gains tax purposes. Of course, it is considered an asset for capital gains. The UK, the cryptocurrency is under certain tax regulations, and tax regulations is going to become a must if you're making gains out of it. As far as Germany is concerned, considered legal, but it is taxed slightly differently. So that's where Germany stands. China, crypto exchanges are completely banned for the moment in China. All eyes now on what India would do. As far as Russia is concerned, crypto payment for goods and services is at the moment illegal in Russia. India, payment for goods and services in cryptocurrency is illegal at the moment. So you cannot pay for goods and services in India in cryptocurrency. But the government does recognize crypto as an asset class, and hence a regulation is a must. Crypto under tax regulations at the moment as far as India is concerned. So this gives you a bird's eye view of how crypto, the new currency, is doing all around the world. As far as the crypto regulation is concerned, it seems to be India's crypto moment with over 10 crore investors. India's highest crypto has the highest cryptocurrency users in the country. A legal framework to regulate and govern the booming cryptocurrency market seems to be the need of the hour at the moment. In fact, Business Today was the first to report this 3 weeks ago. Things are moving fast. The finance ministry sources say the bill may be introduced in the winter session of the parliament.